Alright guys, we're getting ready to draw the winners of the 10k subscriber giveaway. We're just a couple of minutes away from the 72-hour deadline to enter. I'm going to be using a website called commentpicker.com to randomly select 2 people from the video comment responses. I have a short note prepared to let everyone know that the giveaway is closed once it hits midnight my time. I end my giveaways exactly when I say I'm going to. I like keeping it simple for everyone, and I want to make sure that you guys feel that the selection is completely fair. So now I'm just putting the video URL into commentpicker.com. Next, I filter duplicate users, and of course the phrase to enter the giveaway was the word So now that everything's ready to go, let's go ahead and fast forward to midnight. Alright, let's click get comments and see how many eligible entries we have. It looks like we have 282 eligible entries. I'm going to pin the comment I prepared to the video, let everyone know the giveaway is closed. And given we have 2 soldering irons to give away, your odds of winning aren't that bad, about 1 in 140. Drumroll please, who is our first winner? Congratulations to Mr. Kim Kvist. And your comment was, great video. You, sir, are the lucky winner of a TS100 Soldering Iron. Alright, let's pick our second winner. And congratulations to Mr. Moen Dane Designs. And your comment was very nice, but I have to say that the Toshiba drive is going to betray you. Well, congratulations to you too, sir. You are the lucky winner of a TS100 soldering iron. I want to thank you guys so much for participating. This was super fun to organize. I'm going to continue to celebrate all these milestones on the channel. The next giveaway at 25k subs. And if you guys keep watching them, I'll keep making them.